In a world that often moves at a relentless pace, it becomes increasingly crucial to carve out moments for simple pleasures and connection with loved ones. One such delightful pursuit is organizing a picnic or barbecue, an opportunity to relish good food, laughter, and the rejuvenating embrace of the great outdoors. However, to ensure that these gatherings transcend the ordinary and promote health and well-being, thoughtful planning is paramount. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of planning a healthy picnic or barbecue, where the focus extends beyond delicious meals to nurturing both the body and the soul. Choose a picturesque location. Embark on your picnic or barbecue adventure by carefully selecting a location that not only caters to the aesthetic senses but also offers a conducive environment for relaxation and enjoyment. Public parks, lakesides, or even the comfort of your backyard can provide the perfect setting. Ensure the chosen spot is equipped with essential amenities such as picnic tables, grilling areas, and proper waste disposal facilities. Prepare a wholesome menu. Elevate your outdoor dining experience by approaching menu planning with mindfulness and creativity. Aim for a diverse array of colors on your picnic blanket or grilling platter. Think vibrant fruits, crisp vegetables, and lean proteins. Include refreshing salads, whole grain options, and hydrating beverages to keep everyone energized and satisfied. Consider marinating meats in flavorful yet health-conscious sauces and explore vegetarian alternatives to cater to diverse preferences. Smart grilling techniques. If a barbecue is on the agenda, embrace smart grilling techniques to minimize the consumption of unhealthy fats. Opt for lean cuts of meat. Marinate with a medley of herbs and spices instead of heavy sauces, and diversify your grilling menu with a selection of fresh vegetables. This not only enhances the flavor profile but also adds a nutritional boost to your outdoor feast. Hydration station. Keep hydration at the forefront of your planning by setting up a dedicated hydration station. Offer a variety of options such as infused water, herbal teas, and natural fruit juices. Minimize the presence of sugary sodas and encourage guests to bring reusable water bottles to promote both personal health and environmental sustainability. Packaging matters. Infuse your picnic or barbecue with an eco-friendly ethos by opting for sustainable packaging. Choose biodegradable plates, utensils, and containers or invest in reusable picnicware. This not only aligns with the principles of a healthy lifestyle but also showcases a commitment to environmental responsibility. Activity and entertainment. Recognize that a healthy picnic or barbecue extends beyond the culinary delights. It's about crafting an immersive experience. Plan engaging activities such as frisbee, badminton, or nature walks to promote physical activity and social interaction. Foster an atmosphere where everyone can relax, unwind, and forge lasting memories together. Sun protection. Prioritize the well-being of your guests by incorporating sun protection into your planning. Set up shaded areas with umbrellas or bring along sun hats and sunscreen to shield everyone from the sun's rays. Safeguarding against potential sun exposure is a fundamental aspect of ensuring a healthy and enjoyable outdoor experience. In the intricate tapestry of planning a healthy picnic or barbecue, the threads of careful location selection, creative menu planning, smart grilling techniques, hydration emphasis, eco-conscious packaging, engaging activities, and sun protection converge to create a harmonious and enriching experience. So, as you embark on your picnic or barbecue extravaganza, armed with this comprehensive guide, savor the joy of a well-rounded outdoor feast that not only tantalizes the taste buds but nourishes the body and soul, fostering connections and creating cherished memories for all involved.